The Pi coin is currently in a unique position, not yet traded on global exchanges, creating a fascinating dynamic among its 47 million users across 230 countries. With its price remaining volatile and heavily influenced by major players, predicting its future value is a challenge. However, the anticipation for its open market launch in late 2024 or early 2025 is palpable. The Pi network is preparing meticulously, ensuring that technological, legal, and business frameworks are in place alongside meeting the KYC requirements for 15 million pioneers. The recent Pi Fest showcased the coin's potential as a payment method, with participants from over 155 countries engaging in transactions. With over 20 active projects in development, including a Pi wallet and a Web3 developer platform, the network is gearing up for a bullish run. The total supply of 100 billion coins means that a significant portion will still be locked at launch. But even with 10 to 20 billion mined, we could see Pi coin catapult into the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. The excitement is building, and while price predictions are tricky right now, the potential for significant volatility is undeniable.